frittata.
So who's Tim McGraw
Okay, welcome to the program, Matt. Who's Tim McGraw? Now, Tim McGraw's frittata. That's what we're making specifically. So Tim McGraw is one of my all-time favorite country singers. Oh my God, I was supposed to be playing his music. I got so distracted. Here we go. Okay, so we're getting on with the show. The show must go on. Just gave the biggest spiel about it.
And why does he have a frittata though?
Okay, if anybody else is drinking mimosas with us today, then now is the time.
Boom.
I'm Shannon Baida, the host and founder of The Glorious Kitchen, and my husband Matt.
The hard-working sidekick.
The hard-working sidekick.
Does anyone know who invented the frittata?
I do not. The eggs are baked, so it's similar to an omelette, except the omelette's fried quite quickly. Frittata is baked slowly, and it's really good as leftovers or served when it's cold. So that makes it perfect for like a brunch or when you have a group of people over. And I don't know when that will ever happen again for you, but hopefully soon, and then you can make this frittata. I'm going to start by turning on the oven. We are going to crack a whole bunch of eggs. Some cheese.
Okay.
Yes.
And
so we
cheese.
have some grated cheese in this as well. So let's get in there. There we go. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay guys, now we need to dice the onion. So one yellow onion. Okay, so you are going to take a oven-proof skillet. Everyone over here.
Sorry, let's
Jeez
do that.
Louise.
Okay.
Okay, medium-high heat. We've got the fry pan on, and we are adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. At the same time, we're going to be adding diced onion.
Beautiful, yep.
Now, if you like a little spice, fresh jalapeno is perfect. I'm going to dice it up and add it into the onions so that we get a bit of that Mexican flavor.
So is this an omelette, essentially?
No, it's a frittata. Hello. I literally just explained. Okay.
Apologies for that.
So, in the pan, we've got some stuff happening now. So let's give that a couple minutes to just fry down.
Yep.
I gotta check this recipe. Okay, spinach. So it's gonna look like a lot, but you want to pop it in. Probably.
Tim McGraw award winner.
Oh God.
Award-winning artist.
Why don't things have to be award winning?
Oh, just interesting.
He has a lot of #1 singles. Let's put it that way.
Okay, this is looking good. What are you doing there?
Okay, so we want the spinach to completely cook down so that all the water evaporates. And then we're going to vigorously whisk. Last thing, just this is my own extra little touch. If you have some leftover cheese, then just sprinkle it on top, a little extra goodness. And we can pop it in the oven.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
On
let's
the
get
phone,
it
he
shot.
wants to talk to you about it. Additional cheese, he's not so happy.
Tim? It's you?
Take the bloody cheese
Okay,
off.
Sam's gotta wait. A good shot, it's looking delicious. Okay, in we go. You know your frittata is done when it's firm around the edges and then it still has a little bit of jiggle in the middle. And give it a bit of a shake. You guys know what I'm talking about. You're going to top this recipe with 2 diced avocados.
Do we put a timer on?
No, we did not put a timer on it. Total rookie mistake. Yeah, we'll figure it out. We'll look for the jiggle. Okay guys, the frittata is ready. It's been about 20 minutes in the oven. Let's get it out. And let it cool a little bit if you like. And then you're going to top it with your chopped avocado. Just sprinkle it around. There we go. So next week we're going to be making my favorite zesty tzatziki.
Getting
Because a
tzatziki with it.
tzatziki is seriously.
No. Getting tzatziki with it.
No.
We'll have to put up with this.
Bye guys.
Bye for now.